Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video I will show you how to merge these two partitions. So in this video what I will do is I will add the space of D drive to my C drive. Okay, so let's start. Right click on Windows icon, then click on this option, disk management. Now here you can see this is my C drive and this is my D drive. So in this process all the data in your D drive will delete. Okay, so if you have any important data, take the data backup. So I will move these files. Okay, I will cut these two files and I will place it on the desktop. Okay, so the point is take the data backup. In this process the D drive data will totally delete. Okay, so take the data backup if you have any important data. Now select the D drive, the second partition, right click on it, then click on delete volume, click on yes. Now the drive has been deleted. Now right click on C drive, then click on this option, extend volume, click on next, click on next, finish. So this will add this D drive space in the C drive. So as you can see, D drive space has been added to the C drive and both the partitions are now merged. So this is how you can do it. This is all for the video. Thank you.